안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. Recently, my daughter saw a cucumber salad that's trending on social media and really wanted to try it. So I decided to make it. Now I understand why it's so popular. Because it's really easy to make and tastes great. Would you like to make it together? Prepare a container with a lid and use a slicer to slice one cucumber. Be careful when slicing the ends. Add 1 tablespoon each of red pepper powder, soy sauce, fish sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, sugar, and sesame seeds. Just remember to add 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. Grate 1 clove of garlic. Slice a bit of red onion and add that as well. Close the lid and shake well to make sure the seasoning is evenly distributed. Ta-da! This is so good. It's so crunchy and delicious. I love it. Take 1 cucumber and slice it using a slicer. Be careful when slicing the ends. Slice 1 green onion. Slice a little bit of onion as well. Add 1 tablespoon of soybean paste, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Just remember to add 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. Close the lid and shake well. Ta-da! This is so good. It's super crunchy and delicious. Kimchi cucumber salad. Take 1 cucumber and slice it using a slicer. Add about half cup of sliced kimchi. Add 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds, and sugar. Just remember to add 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. Close the lid and shake well. Ta-da! Wow, with the kimchi, it has completely Korean flavor. It looks so good. So flavorful. I think it would be perfect to eat this with rice. Take 1 cucumber and slice it using a slicer. Add a small container of plain yogurt. Add half a lemon juice. Add half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of honey. Close the lid and shake well. Ta-da! So refreshing, so healthy, so crunchy. So tasty. Take 1 cucumber and slice it using a slicer. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of chili oil, and grate 1 clove of garlic. Close the lid and shake well. Ta-da! Crunchy cucumber with a savory peanut sauce and a spicy kick. So delicious. Take 1 cucumber and slice it using a slicer. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Slice 1 red chili pepper. Lastly, grate 1 clove of garlic. Close the lid and shake well. Ta-da! How was it?
Super savory and crunchy and so yummy.
It's really fresh and tangy. How was today's video? What's your favorite cucumber salad? Please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.